All right, today I am going to show you how to turn on automatic updates for your Mac computer. It's really simple and I'm going to guide you through it. First of all, we need to get to the system preferences window. And I get there by going through the Launchpad. All right, I went through the Launchpad, find system preferences right here, and I'm going to click on that. Once I click on that, I am going to search for the software update icon, which is right here on the third row. Okay, four over. All right, click on that. Once I click on that, it it will check for updates. I'm not connected to the internet right now, but if I were, it would check for updates. But there is a checkbox below, and this is very important because this is how you turn on the automatic updates. As you can see, it says automatically keep my Mac up to date. You want that check. Well, at least I do, and majority of people want that, for updates. Some people just don't. And it will prompt you to enter a password, which I will, and it is turned on. But there's an important note. Check the advanced tab. Now, in the advanced tab has other check boxes you can check or de-check. De-check, is that a word? If you don't want them to automatically be, uh, you know, automatically update. Okay, you can unselect these right here, but go through these. These are very important too. And once you've made your decision on all of those right there, go ahead and press OK, and then you are all set. Now, if you want to turn off the automatic updates, all you have to do is reverse click this and also enter your password if you do. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.